One of the great things about smart TVs today is all the different content that you can watch with all the different apps that are available. In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to get apps on your Samsung Smart TV. After I show you how to get apps on your TV, I will tell you about 4 recommended apps that you might want to check out that'll give you free movies and TV shows. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is to hit the home button right above the arrow pad on your remote. This here is a newer Samsung TV, so some of your Samsung TVs may look a little bit different. This one has like a black style menu bar on the bottom. Some may be white, some may be blue. Depends on what model your Samsung TV is. So you'll get to a screen that looks like this. It's important to remember that you are going to have a Samsung account to set up to download apps, and it'll prompt you to do that the very first time that you go to set up your TV. But for this video, I'm just going to show you how you can download the apps. So once you hit the home button, you are going to scroll all the way to the left, and you're going to use your left arrow on the remote control. And then you're going to scroll all the way over until you get to a tab that says Apps. And from there, you're going to hit the center button on your remote. Then it'll bring you up to a screen that looks like this. And as long as you are signed into your Samsung account, you'll see a little menu bar pop up like this with different options and different apps that you're available to download. What we're going to do is we're just going to go over to YouTube Kids, and then we're going to hit enter on that as if we're going to download this one. So as soon as you enter it, this screen will pop up. And since we don't have it installed, there's an install button right there. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the enter button on my remote control, and we're going to install YouTube Kids. All right, once it installs, you'll see an icon pops up to the right. So you can open the app or you can close it. I'm going to go ahead and close it for this demonstration. Once you close it, you can either open it here or add it to your home screen. So if you add it to your home screen, that's when it'll pop up on the menu bar that comes up at the bottom of your screen whenever you hit that home button icon. Here are a few apps that you might want to download. The first app is called Locast. This is great for getting some local TV channels to your TV without paying for cable or using a TV antenna. 3 more free apps to download and check out are Xumo, Tubi TV, and Pluto TV. These are all free apps that have a lot of movies, TV shows, and sports channels. Well, thanks for checking out this video, guys. If it was helpful to you, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.